Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something very real, that is the tech layoff in 2025 and why the freshers, those who are stepping right out of the college, are taking the biggest hit. So if you are a recent grad or you have just stepped out of college, this video is for you. I'm going to break it down, what is happening, why is this happening, and most importantly what you can do to come out of it. So let's start. First, take a bigger picture, the global economy. What is happening? The interest rate are still high and the inflation rate has become so stubborn, more than 3% at some places, and the recession is coming back. In US, the unemployment rate has increased to 4.2% and the job opportunities are becoming very less. So in situations like this, companies become very cautious about hiring, and the one thing which gets smashed at this time is hiring. And the second thing, according to me, is overhiring during the pandemic. So you remember the crazy hiring spree during the pandemic where the companies were snatching out employees like there is no tomorrow to keep up with the in-demand tech. But now everything has calmed down and the companies have realized that they have overdone it. So now they want to lay off their employees to cut down the numbers. In 2025 alone, more than 1 lakh tech jobs have been cut down by major companies like Google, Microsoft, Intel, and even TCS. TCS has a record of not laying off its employees, but now we are seeing layoff in TCS also. So we can realize how serious the situation is. And we have not even reached to the end of the year. In India itself, in July, 24,500 tech jobs have been cut down, making this the most difficult month of the people in tech industry now. And the third reason, which I think, is efficiency over growth. The companies have started using AI. They are automating the process. They are reducing the redundant jobs, and they are cutting down on the entry-level jobs. So the hiring has also freezed. So there is a demand of less people in job today than previously because of AI. So because of all of these reasons, the economic condition, the overhiring, and the AI, the tech layoff is very significant in 2025. So now let's talk about the campus recruitment. We have seen a major drop in the campus recruitment these days. Some companies which used to take 6 lakh students per year, now they're hiring just 1,50,000 students. And companies which are even providing the offer to the students, either delaying the onboarding or they're revoking the offers. So the entry-level candidates are now facing more delayed times in their onboarding, or they are joining the company without any active project. They are joining on bench. Also, as the company is moving towards automation and specialized roles, the bulk hiring of entry-level candidates for generic software development role has stopped. This has increased the competition, and many entry-level candidates are not able to find suitable job openings now. So as I said, the tech companies are now moving its focus towards specialized roles like AI, cybersecurity, cloud technology. The new openings require these skills to get job, and that's why the freshers without any prior experience are struggling to find a job nowadays. Okay, so now let's talk about tough competition in hiring. It's brutal out there right now. With hiring freeze and the waves of tech layoffs, you have got thousands of skilled people competing for tiny number of roles. And the wild part is, company is now asking freshers to come with experience like an internship, side projects, or certifications in the specialized areas. So it's no more like you can come with an IIT or an IT degree and get hired, or you can just do lead code and get hired. You really have to make your resume stand out now. So it's not like that freshers are directly targeted by the layoff. Senior engineers and mid-level engineers are also affected by layoffs. But because of the onboarding delays, because of hiring freeze, no prior experience, and increase in competition, it's fair to say that freshers are hardest hit by layoffs because it is very difficult to find entry-level jobs now than at any point of time in recent years. Okay, so enough gloom and doom. Now let's talk about the real solution, what you can actually do about it. Number one, you can specialize in in-demand skills. Like think of AI, think of cybersecurity, cloud, DevOps. In these fields, people are still getting hired because of more demand than supply. Number two, build your own experience. So it's not like that you can now depend on college for internship, or you can depend on any company to join and get experience there. You have to build your own experience in internships, side projects, or you can also do some gigs like freelancing gigs, or you can contribute to open source projects. So you have to make your own experience so that you are ready for the entry level jobs and you are ready to stand out from the crowd. So as a fresher, it is not about applying, it is standing in a sea of people who are exactly like you on the paper. So you have to stand out in any way. Number three is be active on online platforms. So you can be active on GitHub, you can be active on LinkedIn, and you can attend some local events. Never get scared to talk to people because networking and referrals still work when other things don't work out. Even in the tough situation, these things work. Look, this wave of layoff is rough, especially when you are starting out. But this is not the end of the world. You can use this time to upskill, gain real world experience, and you can build your visibility. You won't just survive, you will turn stronger when the tide turn again, because it will turn, it always does. So if that helped, like my video and subscribe for more such videos. If you have got your own experience, just drop down in the comment. I'll read them all and see you in the next video.